Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a notification badge cluster using custom shapes in Photoshop. First, I open Photoshop and create a small canvas. Then I draw multiple circular custom shapes overlapping slightly. Now I add numbers or icons inside each circle. After that, I vary sizes to show priority. Next, I apply bright alert colors. Now I add soft shadows for separation. Then I slightly offset each badge. After that, I align cluster visually. Now it feels lively. Then I zoom out to test clarity. After that, I refine overlap spacing. Now the cluster feels balanced. Finally, I polish edges and contrast. This badge cluster now feels UI ready.